So it's the next day. The time is 11:30 right now, and we are leaving for our home. This was a beautiful property. I didn't share the name. The name is Marino Resorts, I think. You can Google it out. I will leave the link in the description below. And yeah, this is the scene here. Everyone has left, not left. They're in the hotel checkout area. So let's go. That's it. And 2 days. This trip was only for 1 night and 2 days. The plan for now is we will be stopping for lunch in Kolaghat, maybe, or maybe in some other place, but for now the plan is to stop at Kolaghat. And I already shared the time. It's 11:30 in the morning. That is the resort that we stayed, and yeah, it was a good trip with the new group. I didn't felt that this was a new group. They were so awesome. This was the hotel here. Beautiful staying. A beautiful short trip, as you guys have seen in the video last. This was the anniversary ride of Team T3. 4 years of Team T3. Congratulations to them. Congratulations to Amit Da for holding this team up for 4 years, and I am really grateful to be a part of this team. Fuel, it's almost full, but still I need to refuel somewhere. I think near Kolaghat I will be needing a fuel break, but other than that I think it's good. Oh Baba. The whole group is ahead, and only Amit Da and Dipankar Da is in the hotel. I guess they are checking out properly with all the documents and everything. Oh Baba, slush. Shit. After almost 10-15 minutes we are on the good roads now. That's it. Just stopped for a small fuel break. I just fueled it up, and for a water break also. And the time is 1 PM in the afternoon. Rest of the team is ahead of us, and it's me and Niladri right now. are really beautiful, but the temperature is really high. It's not a problem for us, but it's a problem for the Ntorq. That is the reason why I'm not crossing over 90. Sometimes I'm hitting 100 like tomorrow. Sorry, like yesterday.
Wait a minute.
আমি ওই জন্য পাটা নামালাম ওখানে, রাস্তার ওখানে বাম্পার গুলো ছিল একদম পুরো টার্নিং এ।
আমি ডাবটা দেখছি, ডাবের ওখানটা। আমি ডাবটা দেখছি, ডাবের ওখানটা।
রাস্তা খারাপ থাকলে আমি পা নামিয়ে দেবো, পাটা দেখবি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ জানি, দেখেছি আমি। আমি তখন কাটাতেও পারছি না, কেন বাম্পারের ওপরে আমি কাটাতেও পারছি না।
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Just for some inches. এগুলো করার কি মানে আমি বুঝি না, এতগুলোকে একসাথে দিয়ে কি হবে? একটার জন্যই লোকে দাঁড়িয়ে যাবে। বাপ রে বাপ, ভাবলাম মনে আমার কাছেই আসছে মনে হলো। মাথা ব্যথা খারাপ আছে নাকি? WB04H8502 পাগল নাকি? ঘাড়ের ওপর উঠে আসছে। Again back with the team. Today I forgot to reset the trip, that's why I can't update how much kilometer we have done from the hotel. So yeah, so Kolkata is more 104 kilometers from this place. The time is right now 1:29 p.m. and we will be stopping in Kolaghat for our lunch. And we reached Nandakumar. The time is 1:35. The time is 1:49 in the afternoon, and we just stopped for a water break, water or cold drinks break. We just crossed Nandakumar. We didn't stop there because there was no shade at all, so that's why we stopped here. And done with the break, everyone is full charged up. Kolaghat is almost কত কিলোমিটার দেখাচ্ছে আর কোলাঘাট? .20 kilometers from here, and the time is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Everyone has reached. We didn't rush. We just enjoying the ride. We don't have any hurry to go home. We just clocking the kilometers properly. had a small water break as you guys saw there, and that's it. 20 kilometers for Golaghat, and I will be seeing you guys directly there. Bye bye. And the ride ends here. We are gonna split up. That's Amida, and we 1 2 3 4 5 6 bikes are gonna split up from here, and there is the rest of the team. So let's move. Asia, Tada. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. If anybody watching from Team T3, thank you for letting me in the stream and allowing me for this ride. I really enjoyed it, and I hope in future I can join all the rides with you guys. And let's head home. The time is right now 4:28 in the evening, and we just reached Dhulawa toll. Yeah, so that's how it ends. A beautiful ride with Team T3. According to the meter, it's 5:30 and I'm home. Just reached. It was a beautiful ride, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, do subscribe. As always, stay safe, ride safe, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, peace.